Hi, everybody. Mrs. Simmons here. I hope everyone's having a great day. I wanted to create this video to walk you through Thursday's assignment, just in case um, anyone got stuck on it. It's a little bit of a different setup than the previous lessons, so I'm going to go ahead and take you through step by step. The first thing, you're going to log into your Google Classroom like you have throughout the past week. And again, you're going to come up to classwork right here. When you get in classwork, you are going to go to the topic of April 6th through the 10th because that's this week. Scroll down and you'll see here it says Thursday assignments. So I'm going to click this open. And today's assignments are all going to be in this Google Slides. So the first slide is just welcoming you guys. This video here is actually going to be posted right on this first page. Then you're going to go to the next page. The next page is a new website called IXL. I linked a video of myself explaining how to use this program, and also it says right here, click for username and password. So when you click there, it will pull up a list and you can find your name and your password. The next page has two videos. These videos are just talking about maybe what are some things that you've been doing at home or how can you stay active at home. So I want you to watch both of these videos and then answer the questions in this box here. And all you do is click and you begin to type by answering these questions. Or if you want, you can also add images. If you know how to do that, you can go to insert, image, and then add images. So it's up to you, whichever way you'd like to do it. The next slide, we have a math slide. You're going to watch a video about money, and then you're going to tell me the coins and their worth and their name. So you're just going to click right where it says type here, and you're going to type the answer. Then I have a science video. It's only a few minutes long, and I just want you to watch it. It's called How Does Hand Sanitizer Kill Germs? And I just want you to tell me anything you learned from the video by either using pictures or words. Our next slide is a history slide, and we're talking about the state of Michigan. We have a about 5 to 6 minute video all about Michigan. Then it has you move the star to the state you live in. So here's a star. All you do is click it, and you're going to drag it to wherever you think Michigan is. And then tell me something that you learned about the state of Michigan. Here you can choose an activity to do. We have Go Noodle. There are 4 different videos you can choose that are just movement. You can click and participate. We have a Chrome Music Lab where you can go to, it takes you to a website and you get to play around with different instruments on the computer. An art section, and this here you have, you can create drawings using shape tools and Google Slides, or learn how to draw something from the Art Hub for Kids. So it has videos that walk you through different art activities. And then lastly, it's a computer coding, 2 different websites that you can click and go to and play around with that. So you can just choose any of these activities. You don't have to do them all, but you can if you want. And then lastly, it's just a checklist. So you want to make sure that you did every assignment posted, or as many as you can. So the first one says, I worked in IXL for 30 minutes. So that was the first website. So if you did that, you'll click it and you will drag the check mark. I wrote about what I've been doing on my day off, and so on. So you're just checking in to make sure that all of that work that was posted was completed. If anybody has any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me and I will help you get through it. Thank you.